Hey babies, if you want to see how I apply these press-on nails, stay tuned for the video.
On my basic partner, I put that on my style like Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Prada. Them basic, wear that so I don't even bother. I put that on my partner, I put that on my family. Oakland City represent, address me as your majesty. Yeah, you can kiss the ring, but you can never touch the crown. I smoke a million Swisher blunts and I ain't never coming down. You ain't no Barbie, I see you work at Arby's. Number 2, supersize, hurry up, I'm starving. Gnarly, radical, on the block I'm magical. See me at your college campus, baggy full of Adderalls. Call me if you need a fix, call me if you need a boost. See them other chicken heads, they don't ever leave the coop. I'm in the coop cruising, I got the stolen plates. Serving all the fiends over there by the Golden Gate Bridge. I'm colder than the fridge and the freezer. I'm snatching all your at my leisure. And we starting like
Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alysia the astronaut, back with another video for you, baby. And in today's video, I'm going to be applying these Halloween press-on nails. And all you're going to need is a nail file, some press-on nail glue, some Q-tips, some nail polish remover, and some oil of your choice. It could be any kind, honestly. Now I'm going to be opening up the packaging and picking out each nail that fits my nail best. But I wanted to show y'all a close-up of the nail decor. Like, do y'all see that? Like, Shein has really been showing out with their nail art. Like, I see Scream, I see Texas Chainsaw, I see Jason Voorhees, I see Scream. I see y'all, Shein. Now I'm going to be going in with my nail file and I'm going to be filing down my nails and shaping them up so they can be clean and cut for the press-on nail glue. I don't know why I say clean and cut. Child, I've been coming up with my own little slang on this channel, so don't mind me. Now that I filed my nails, I'm going to be applying the press-on nails with the press-on nail glue. And child, when I say this glue dries so fast, oh my goodness, I mean it. I'm going to be leaving a link to the glue down in the description box so you guys can also cop the nails and the glue. So yeah. But if you haven't already, go check out my latest video that I uploaded. There it is at the right top of the corner. Go click on the video and come back to this one. But when I tell y'all this glue is so strong and it dries so fast, if you're looking for some strong glue, I would suggest getting this glue. But y'all, this glue is so strong. That's why I advise keeping nail polish remover and Q-tips beside you, because it gets messy. Now that I got the nails pressed on, I'm going to be going in with some nail polish remover and some Q-tips, and I'm going to be cleaning up around the edges of the nail where I dropped some glue. And yeah, I'm just cleaning that up. Now that we cleaned up around the nails, I'm going to be going in with a LA Colors clear gel polish, and I'm going to be applying that on top of the nails, and I'm going to be letting these dry under the UV light lamp for 60 seconds. And do y'all see how glossy this clear polish is making these nails like? Adding clear polish on top of press-on nails makes a big difference. Like, if you look at some of my older press-on nail videos, I didn't really apply clear polish because I felt like they really didn't need the clear polish. But these, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm loving the shape most of all. Like, y'all know I love me some stiletto shape nails. Look how glossy these nails look. And I'm just loving the nail art, like Hellraiser, Leprechaun, Scream, Texas Chainsaw, Jason Voorhees. I see so many. No. Now I'm going to be applying some Body Drop Strawberry Cake Oil to my cuticles and rubbing it into my hands. And when I tell y'all, this oil smells just like strawberry cake, Lord have mercy. I'm going to be leaving a link to it in the description box as well. But this is the finished look of the nails. Like, I'm loving the red. I'm loving the nail art. I'm just loving it all. Like, I grade these a 8 out of 10, honestly. I honestly think it's the nail art was doing it for me. But y'all let me know down in the comment section how y'all feel about these press-on nails. And what you're dressing up as for Halloween. I want to know. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you lovely, lovely astronaut babies in my next video. Bye.
Bye. You looking better, the type of that make you wish that you ain't never met her. The editor, director, plus I'm my own boss. So posh, nails fierce with the gold gloss, which means nobody getting over me. I got the swag.